Alright guys, so here's a little tip. If you ever want to get rid of rust, even if you're not doing a school bus or anything like that, if you want to get rid of rust, here's what you need to do. You need to grab this magical product called Ospos. Ospos, and what it does is, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but right here, this one has Ospos on it, and this one doesn't. It looks a little darker. You know what we're gonna do is actually we're gonna take a picture of this whole floor right here, and we're gonna come back tomorrow and take another picture and just show the difference right here on the screen, so you can see what that product does. It's absolutely incredible, right?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are applying Ospos to the bottom of the bus to help protect it from rust and get rid of any rust that was left over after grinding. And if you haven't already seen our video from last week of us grinding, you should go check it out. We'll link it down in the description. And always make sure that you like and subscribe if you want to follow us on our journey to making a bus a tiny home on wheels.
We left the Ospo sitting overnight right here on the floor. I don't know if you can tell the difference. And today we're getting ready to use the power washer right here to get rid of, oh my god, to get rid of like all the particles and stuff, to get it ready for the primer, stuff like that. Oh, but before that we need to cover these little holes where the screws were with liquid nail, and then you put a penny on it. But we're not ready for that yet, so we're gonna power wash everything right here to get it ready, let it dry obviously so you don't rust again, and then cover the little holes, and it'll be ready for the primer, and yeah, we'll be ready to go. Now we're gonna try this out.
What? That's the ugliest one there is.
Why do you say that?
Look at all these nice pennies, and then look what you do.
Let me see. I don't know. What do you think, guys? This one right here? Let me zoom in. This one right here? Or, yeah, I see it too. Alright, so we found a really good trick right here. So to go quicker, I'll just put this thing on the side. She puts a penny on top, and she's done. Put it on the side. She puts a tiny penny on top.
Or a peso.
Or a peso. And for this tiny hole, you can just go like. And here we go. That's sealed already. Let's do another example over here. Side, penny, side, penny, little hole. Cover it like that. Alright, so this right here is the finished product with the little pennies. And then over here we found out that we didn't need the pennies for the small holes. You just put your finger like that. There you have it. Let it sit all night for it to dry. Or, well, sometimes it takes more than a day to dry. So we're gonna have to wait. We're just gonna have to wait, because we cannot apply the primer unless that thing's dry. It will ruin our whole work, and we will have to do it again, so you don't want to do that. Don't rush it. Do not rush your project, and it'll end up looking better.
Today is painting day. I kind of started and I forgot to film, but good thing I remembered. And Yes, we're painting the floor of the bus today, and it's gonna look really good. I'm super excited. You can't really see it. The sun is like really killing. It's gonna look really good on the bottom of the bus. And then wait for that to dry, do a second coat. You'll see. I'll do a time lapse.
This thing looks so white. Tired?
I'm getting blisters.
Show me.
Well, I have one here, and then I have one. Oh, that one.
Look at that one. Yeah. This is pure hard work. Ain't that right? Look at her socks. She never mentions socks. Me either. So. Yeah, I can't say shit. Work, work, work. Oh, who painted this?
On accident.
All that on accident, evenly.
No, not evenly. I was trying to get around it with the tiny brush.
You do this.
And guess what? I sat on that. And it hurt so bad.
What she's talking about is this.
Oh.
This little thing, that's the air hose for the seat. And she sat on this right here, and obviously she didn't like that. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, so this is how it looks now. Looks like a way different bus, except for this panels right here. Those are ugly. She's almost done. Is that the last chunk?
Yeah, for the second coat.
We're doing 3 coats?
Yes, duh.
Duh. Okay, so her dad was telling us that for this thing to work, for the primer to work, you need to make it thick because it's gonna protect the metal from rusting again. So yeah, you just try to make it thick.
So can you bring this to the back so I can start painting back again? Because over there's already dry.
Dries fast?
Yeah, it's already done drying. Come on, come on. Take it, 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 take it. Ooh.
Ooh. Let's go, come on. Come on, let's go. Yeah, she's a baby. She's a baby.
You need to bring the paint.
Paint foot? Oh. Alright, we're at the back of the bus.
Where's
To apply the 3rd layer, that's what we gotta do. Choose Zoe, she helped Amber paint all the floor and everything. So good job, Zoe. Okay. We have a lot of work to do.
That's awesome. It's really awesome.
Let's try to get down with a camera. See what we can do. Some parkour or something. Down. What do you need, princess?
The paint! I told you.
That's funny. Oh boy. Grab it. Alrighty guys, we are back at the bus right here. We're gonna finally do the last layer on right here, the floor. I don't know if you guys can see. We're applying the triple coat. I'll post a picture right here on the screen, and I'll post the link back in the description. And without further ado, let's get going.
I don't know where our paint thingy went.
Here's the paint. What are you gonna do now?
You need to get a screwdriver to open it.
And let's go back to the garage and get a screwdriver for the bus. I got it. Now, now let's go bring this to Amber right here. See what she does with it. I want to see you open that can, babe. Yeah? Open it, open it, open it, open it. Come on, baby. You got this. Boom. Turn it around so they can see what we're using. We are using
3 times thicker.
triple thick for the last layer. See what it does. It's stop peeling paint, so that's good. Just in case, you never know. What does that
This
look?
stuff is thick. Ooh.
Look at that.
Ooh, what does this remind you of? Hi guys. Repainting the floors because the pennies turned green and that's not good. So we got this other product that is gray.
Not just that, it's just the paint that we bought. Didn't do anything for the floor. Just look at it. It's all yellow. Yeah, so we bought this gray one now. Amber bought this gray one now. Right there.
And Drew is ripping up the stairs because we forgot to. This is all we have for this week's video. Thank you for watching. This is the floors before and the floors after. And for next week's video will be our anniversary trip. Hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy.